I'm Rebecca.
I'm Shawn.
Welcome to our first Try 5 Friday. We're going to try 5 different things today that are new. The first thing we have is the honey rancha, and it says it's a sauce, and it says that it's its own class of condiments. It's by Heinz. So versatile, makes excellent dipping sauce for fries, can be used as an alternative for regular hot sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, and sandwiches. It's good on burgers. So we have some fries here, and him and I are going to try it. It is a little thinner than ketchup, but it smells good, but we're going to try it. And we have 2 others that we're going to try with our fries.
It's a little spicy.
Ooh, hit the back of the throat, spicy.
But you can taste a sweetness.
You can taste the honey.
Honey. So a little bit of sweet and savory. I like the spice.
Yeah, that's sriracha. Hits the back of your throat and your tongue. And it is. It's got a good spiciness to it. In fact, the longer I sit here, the more it's burning. So it is really good.
I like it. I think it's the right combo of spice and sweetness.
I think it's good too. I like it, but I'm not a hot person. But it's really good. If I was somebody who liked that burn the back of your throat, I would use it. I always look for adult ketchups. I like adult ketchups that have different things in it.
Yeah, if you like ketchup and you like some spicy, something spicy,
yeah,
then yeah, it's good.
So we'll give that one a thumbs up. Next we have the Hellmanns roasted garlic sauce. It has no fructose or corn syrup, no artificial flavors, dairy-free and gluten-free. They say it's good for a dip. You can put it on salads, vegetables, sandwiches, and more. So we're going to try that one. Really garlicky.
Good, I like garlic. Oh yeah, garlic for sure.
Lots of garlic.
I like it.
I do too. I really like it. That would be good on a roast beef sandwich.
Oh yeah.
It's not bad with the fries.
That'd be good with turkey sandwich too.
Yeah, it'd be good with turkey too. Any kind of sandwich you want to make. Might even be good for chicken nuggets.
Oh yeah.
So that's really good. This is secret sauce. It's Smokehouse. I'm sure they show it on fries. I'm sure it'd be good on burgers, any kind of sandwiches. Uncover hidden deliciousness whenever you enjoy burgers, fries, chicken, and much more. It's by Hidden Valley, so you know that's the ranch dressing. So I'm sure it's going to be good.
Yeah, I love ranch dressing.
So let's try it. The smokiness is really there.
Yeah, smoky for sure.
It's smoky for sure. It's good. It's really good. I could eat this with those fries. That would be good on a burger too.
Oh yeah, that's smoky.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you like smoky, you like this.
Yeah, if you like that smokehouse taste, this would be it.
Oh, that'd be great on a hamburger. Turkey sandwich.
Yeah, it would be good on anything. So now we're going to get into some sweet. This is that new KitKat birthday cake. And we thought that we would try it. It's got the white chocolate in it. And it looks like the birthday sprinkles are all on the outside in the chocolate. In the white chocolate. It says crispy wafers and birthday cake flavored white creme or cream with sprinkles. So that's probably not real white chocolate.
Yeah, it tastes buttercream. What would it taste like? Buttercream icing
Yeah, it does.
with the crunch.
I just hit it.
Yeah.
And the sprinkles are crunchy.
Yeah, that's good.
It is good.
If you like buttercream icing, you'll love this.
Smells good too. We like that too. Next, we're going to try the chocolate marshmallow Oreos. Chocolate marshmallow pieces and cookie with chocolate marshmallow flavored cream.
Camera might not be doing it down.
So we're going to open these up and try it.
There's a flap on it.
No, there's not a flap on it. It's one of these ones that I have to pry open. Ooh, chocolate. You can see there's pieces of marshmallow in there on the cookie, and the inside is chocolate cream.
That's not how you eat an Oreo. You eat it like this.
Well, I wanted to check out the cookie.
It's creamy, of course.
You know what?
It's kind of fudgy.
You can taste the marshmallow. I can taste the marshmallow in the cookie. You haven't eaten yours yet.
I mean, it's got it in the
No, it doesn't.
tastes like it.
Marshmallow pieces in cookie with chocolate marshmallow flavored cream. Oh,
Yeah.
I taste it in when I eat it all together, I taste the marshmallow.
All right. I'll eat one your way.
I taste it more in the whole cookie.
Yeah, the cream is really good. Kind of a fudge flavor.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, you can taste the marshmallow.
You can taste the marshmallow in it. So if you like marshmallow and the cookie, you'll like it.
So yeah, I like this. This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
And if you like Oreos and you like fudge,
And you like marshmallows, you'll like it. Not bad.
All right.
All right, if you have any questions, let us know. We'll be back next Friday for Try 5 on Friday. See you soon. Bye.